What's going on, everyone? Today's objective, I can use cross products to solve proportions. All right, our vocabulary is a proportion. A proportion is an equation stating that two ratios or rates are equal. And this is our very basic example of a proportion. 1/2 is a ratio, 3/6 is a ratio, and the fact that they are equal to each other or set equal to each other is what makes them a proportion. So two ratios set equal to each other are a proportion. So let's go ahead and let's go into solving our proportions. And we'll bring back some stuff from last year that we haven't really spoken about this year, which would be how to solve a one-step equation. All right, let's go right to it. So in order to solve my proportion, I'm going to multiply using a cross product. All right. So let's go first. B times 90 is 90B, which is equal to 15 times 66, which I'll break my calculator out for. 15 times 66 is 990. In order for me to solve for B, I need to divide both sides by 90. I'm dividing because that is the inverse of multiplication. 90 times B, so I'm going to divide 90 from both sides. 990 divided by 90 is 11. Therefore, B is equal to 11. Next one, same thing. We're going to use our cross product. So 3.2 times 36 is 115.2, which is equal to 9n. Okay. In order for me to solve for n, I'm going to use the inverse operations again. I'm going to divide 9 by both sides. Gives me 12.8, which is equal to n. All right, let's go into a word problem. The wait time to ride a roller coaster is 20 minutes when 60 people are in line. At this rate, how long is the wait time when 220 people are in line? All right, so let's identify a few things. First off, let's write out a ratio here in words. So let's go minutes over people. I know it's usually the other way around. Now let's write it the other way around. Let's go people per minute. People and minutes. Shouldn't make a difference, but as long as we're consistent. All right. 20 minutes when 160 people are in line. So 160 and 20, right, is equal to, we want to know the rate for when 220 people are in line. Over some variable, we'll call it x. All right, and let's go ahead, let's find out. Let's use our cross product here. Okay, so that's 160x is equal to 220 times 20, which is 4,400. Let's solve, dividing 160 by both sides. So x is equal to 27.5. And what's the question? At this rate, how long is the wait time when 220 people are in line? So we could say when 220 people are in line, the wait time is 27 and a half minutes. Last example. Mrs. Hidalgo paid $30 for 4 students to visit an art museum. Find the cost for 20 students. Okay. So let's go ahead. Let's make our ratio in words first. So what are we paying? We're paying, let's go money per student. Okay, so that would be $30 for 4 students. We want to know the cost of 20. Okay, is equal to, I'm going to use x again, over 20. You could change out the variable that you use. It's really your choice, as long as you're consistent. All right, cross product. 30 times 20 is 600. 4 times x is 4x, and let's solve for x. Divide 4 by both sides. 600 divided by 4 is 150, and that is equal to x. So what are we asking? Find the cost for 20 students. Okay, then we could say the cost for 20 students is $150.